After covering the Mahadev temple, we next moved towards the Narayan temple at Bastar. Narayanpal is a village in the Bastar district of Chhattisgarh. It is situated on the east bank of the river Indravati. In the south of the town, Indravati meets the river Narangi forming a confluence. The village is known for its Vishnu temple, which has survived with all its components intact. It is one of the most important temples in Bastar because of its octagonal mandapa and high Nagara Latina Shikhara.
কতগুলো বেবি ছোট ছোট পুচকে পুচকে বেবি গুলো তো ওগুলো দিদির থেকেও পুচকে বেবি ওগুলো
तो ये अब हम आ गए हैं विष्णुपाल नारायणपाल मंदिर में। ये लगभग 35 किलोमीटर है जो हम पिछला मंदिर गए थे वहाँ से, जो कि शिव मंदिर था। यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अंदर कैमरा वगैरह कुछ अलाउड नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी हम ट्राई करेंगे। अब देखिए मेरी बेटी एकदम एक्साइटेड हो गई है यहाँ पे। इसको तो नतून जिनिस लागबे ना, नतून जिनिस लागबे हैं। मेन हाईवे से थोड़ा सा अंदर है, कोची दाड़ा है। मेन हाईवे से थोड़ा सा अंदर है 100 मीटर। ये यहाँ पे गाड़ी पार्क करने की भी अच्छी जगह है।
Narayanpal temple is well known for its cultural, historical and spiritual value in the heritage of Bastar. The Vishnu temple was constructed 1000 years ago and is a beautiful arch type of architecture. The temple is established near the confluence of rivers Indravati and Narangi and it dates back to 11th century. Nearby the temple, a small village got named as Narayanpur after the establishment of the temple. Meanwhile, it came to be known as Narayanpal. Contemporary to the Khajuraho Temple of India, Narayanpal Temple is the only temple in the whole Bastar district where the idol of Lord Vishnu is engraved. Built by Murmuna Devi, the queen of Chindak dynasty, Narayanpal Temple has an influence of Chalukya style of architecture. The only Vishnu temple in Bastar district, the temple near Chitrakote waterfalls, is an architectural beauty, dated back to 11th century. It was constructed during the Nagavanshi era. The temple is situated in the village around 4 kilometers east of Chitrakote Falls. The temple has inscriptions written in Devanagari script, which details a land grant to a Lokeshwar by Gundad Mahadevi, the queen mother of Chindaka Naga dynasty.
ये वाला जो मंदिर है ये भी 12वीं शताब्दी का है। नागवंशी डायनेस्टी का बनाया हुआ है ये 12वीं सेंचुरी में। एक अजीब सी बात है इस मंदिर में जो देख के लगता है, मैंने खजुराहो में लक्ष्मण टेम्पल, लक्ष्मणा मंदिर विजिट किया था, एकदम सिमिलर स्टाइल में बना हुआ है। कंपाउंड के अंदर उतना अलाउ नहीं है फ़ोटो खींचना, इसलिए बाहर से ले रहा हूँ। यू कैन सी फ्रॉम आउटसाइड the temple structure. It is very similar to Lakshman temple at Khajuraho. और ये अजीब सी बात है कि खजुराहो से इतनी दूर यहाँ पर खजुराहो जो कि मध्य प्रदेश में, हालांकि छत्तीसगढ़ भी पहले मध्य प्रदेश का ही पार्ट था, इतनी दूर यहाँ पे एकदम सिमिलर स्टाइल का एक मंदिर जो कि इस इलाके की पहचान नहीं है। यहाँ के जो मंदिर है वो नॉर्मली द्रविडियन स्टाइल्स के होते हैं, ये नगारा स्टाइल का है।
Constructed over a high jagati and facing east, the temple consists of a rectangular garbhagriha, antarala and mantapa. The temple is constructed in Nagara style with a curvilinear shikhara crowned with an amalaka and kalash. It features a garbhagriha sanctum, antarala vestibule and a distinct octagonal mantapa. It is a 1000-year-old ASI protected monument. Stone pilasters at the four corners of the Garbhagriha support its octagonal ceiling. The Antarala is a rectangular chamber with a pyramidal roof above. The Mantapa is a closed octagonal hall with transepts in its north and south. It has 16 stone pillars resting on the inner parapet walls, supporting its ceiling, consisting of concentric circles with reduced diameter as you move up. Mantapa doorway has plain jambs. Ganesha is present on Lalata Bimba. The corresponding sculptures on the left and right terminals are missing and there are empty cavities. The Garbhagriha doorway has 3 shakhas. All the shakhas are decorated with floral and foliage designs. Ganesha is present on Lalata Bimba. Saraswati is present on the left terminal of the lintel and the image on the right terminal is mutilated and is probably of Gajalakshmi. A 4-armed Vishnu image is installed inside the Garbhagriha. The statue is made of black stone. Vishnu carries Shankha and Chakra in his upper arms and lower arms are damaged. He stands below a 5-foot serpent canopy with claims that the images were installed later. The Vimana follows Saptaratha design and has Adhisthana, Jangha and Shikhara. The Adhisthana has multiple moldings. The Jangha is divided into 2 tiers of exact sizes. Niches are provided on all the Rathas, but these are empty now. Like Jangha, the Kapili also has niches on 2 tiers. Only a single niche has an image in the upper niche on the southern Kapili wall. The Shikhara is a Nagara Latina curvilinear tower. Its tiers are demarcated with Bhumi Amalakas on the Karna Ratha of each tier. 4 images of yogis, 1 image in each of 4 directions are placed below the Griya and Shikhara. Above Griya are Amalaka, Stupi and Kalasha, all survived in their original state. Friends, with this I come to the end of part 2 of episode number 6. I hope you did enjoy the part. Till the next and the final part of episode number 6, do take care of yourself and bye for now.